Fuck that. Fuck.
Take a trip around the lake before we start tubing?
Fuck that shit. I know it goes ways down and around.
I don't know, I want to check it out this way though. See where it goes.
Okay, how do we do this? Okay. We're not buoyant yet.
You need to get in that water, boy wonder.
The fuck that's happening? We get back in the truck and back up a little bit more.
Doug, we need to put our backpacks.
Alright. Everything good?
Yep.
She knows sinking?
No sinky sinky.
Just make sure,
Swimmy swimmy.
make sure we got no leaky. No leaky.
Bye, James.
Yeah, we're pretty good.
Take your truck back for you. I know the drive. He's got the
Yeah, you ain't got gas.
Oh, we'll manage.
Where the hell are you taking me? Hey, there's a fucking little lizard thingy. Yeah, I want one. Water dog.
You give me $5, I'll swim in that water again. I'm like really pissed right now.
That was bullshit. I gotta say that for the camera now. We got all the fucking way out here, ran out of gas doing it, and we almost didn't have the little black plugs for the tubes. Tube. What, there's only one? What, you mean tubes? Well, fuck you then. You can be on the boat and me and what's his nuts will be out there. Salamander in the water. I didn't want to scare you, dude. Whoop.
Oh, that's big.
Dude, you gotta kill yourself. Here, I'll give you shade. Okay. You son of a... He's like, you son of a bitch! Fix the boat, get the two fires. Fire the bim, sit over there doing God knows what. There's nobody else out here. Look at this shit. Nobody knows. Except, oh, that was a log. I thought that was a fucking rock. That one must be the rock. That log, which I thought was a rock, was over there. We're gonna move that shit. There's part of a fucking tire over here, floating in the water. Uh-oh, we got sugar ants. That'll keep the boat from starting. What the fuck are you doing to your nipple? I'm trying to lick it. Still want to go boating with me? How about camping? Way too much. This baby will fire, but will it stay running? Boom. Oh, no fucking way.
What?
Fucking switch for the tilt snapped.
Now you gotta do it manually? You're not going anywhere.
That's a big fucking ant. Hey!
It's cold!
They can't get up.
Fucking slippery as fuck.
Of course, it's been in the water all this time. You only take your socks off. little black thing on the side of the engine. You can see it's dripping water still. Okay, it's going down. Damn it! Shut up. You don't know nothing, man. You don't know nothing. You don't know nothing about knowing. Yeah, that's right. There's people I'm hearing over there. Well, they shut up so I can do my work. Okay, here we go. Is it still going?
Yeah.
That level?
Yeah, it's dripping.
Look about horizontal.
It's dripping.
Yeah, I know. That's why we got the, we're gonna have the little cups. It's only dripping a little bit. That flex seal. Well, for one, this flex seal was supposed to hold, but it wasn't.
What is
so
it, though?
I assume I need to get.
Is it water?
It sucks water into the engine and throws the water and the exhaust back out. So it's just dripping water that it's sucking up to keep the engine cool. So we can only run so much, and then we got to stop and make sure we're not sinking. Everybody cool on that? All right, I'm gonna pull this out. Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Dance for me. Whoa, 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 dance for me.
You ready?
Whoa, 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 dance for me.
We should have him go out in front of us and look for rocks.
Watch out for that damn piece of rock.
I'll drive him right at it. Yeah, we gotta get out of this. I really don't want to swim over there. Well, the coupler's holding up. Keep your eye for water.
You almost ran into the water.
Yeah, I'm gonna get my life jacket. Yep. Hey there, don't know how. He'll find his way. Boy. Like Jim. Like
Josh. Turn that way and piss.
woo! Just helicopter it in front of those people. You like what you say, baby?
They're all fucking like laughers.
The guy's all like, yeah! Look, we're all right. Fuck it, it's a party. 3, 2, 1.
Hold on. No shit.
Bullshit, I'm out of here. Better turn sharp. Giving him the opportunity, swim, sit down. Go that way. You better pull, dude. It's gonna tension.
Go that way, you Nimrod.
Keep on the lookout for rocks. What the hell? Slipped up. Why the hell is he sinking?
He's front heavy. Leave him alone.
Lean back. What the hell was that? Yeah, we'll get around this and then I'll tighten that filter down. I'm more worried about taking a piss right now. but it's obvious we're not just gonna be able to until we get there. Slowing us down. Oh, there's a guy over there. What do you want? Get him wrapped over it. Turning as sharp as I can. Oh, that was a starter. Get your hands ready. Let's just stop right next to this thing. Okay. No, just keep us right here. This one I'm doing this. Whoop. We gotta tighten this sucker down because we had a little pop. You know, now that I think about it, this is exactly how the movie Deliverance started. 3, 2, 1. Put my sunglasses. Put them above my girdle. Dude, there's no way in hell.
Was that the gasoline? Was that the gas?
I tightened the gas. Gas is fine. That's the battery. If it's not cranking that starter. Shh.
Motherfucker! That's where I draw the line.
The hell is hissing?
Bye, Duncan.
Okay, let's try this again with this open. Back up as much as you can. I'll give us a setup with you. He's pulling. Okay, he's pulling. Then. Captain Morgan, bitch! I think the only thing I don't have is goggles.
I live in
The fucking log's got a rock on it.
We struck the blue whale!
Can you move it, boy? Grab the log. Grab the rock. Grab it. They're sinking. I can't go back now, Captain. Anybody anybody else feel like this thing shouldn't be doing what it's doing? Boat's having problems, it didn't charge. Had to use the truck and alternator. Plus it's draining a lot of water. And I don't have that little water bilge pump thing on the back, it's not working, so we can't suck the water back out. Brandon's afraid of snakes and he's got a little kid telling him, snakes are cool.
There's something for ferrets to chase.
Well, then I look cool.
I thought it was mongooses.
Oh, fuck.
3, 2, 1. That. Don't look at me. Where are the hooks? What you do with the hooks, man? Are you serious? Is there a hook on it?
Yes.
Come on.
Here. No, you have to get on the dock, James, so you can get on this.
That's hilarious.
Where's my hose? Where's my line? Hey! Hey, am I even tied on?
James, here. There you go. The water.
Oh, this is gonna suck.
Sometimes it's gonna be cold.
It'll be cold, but it's okay.
Ah! Brendan, you better hurry. The back of that boat is really low.
It's getting pretty close.
Oh, making it warm over here. Oh.
It's cold, huh?
I just made it warmer. Come on, Brandon. Crap, I don't want to be like this like last time. Oh, you got soaked. Okay. Okay. Brandon at the wheel, I do not feel good about this. Remember, Brandon? Brandon! Ah! Ah! Stop! Ah! God, that's cold! Oh! Oh, God! Ah, faster! Hey! Brandon! Woo! 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 Oh, my God! Whoa! God, my balls are freezing! Oh, God! Go! Oh, God, get it out! My balls! Get out! Woo! Ah! Ah, fucker! Quit splashing me! Look out, you son of a bitch! Woo! shit! Ah! Ah! Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! Ah, ah fucker! Pull me in! Put it in neutral! Put it in neutral! Fuck! Fucking cold! Oh my god! Dude, you're in reverse! That's some crazy shit, dude. You're still in go. There we go. More or less. What the hell's with this bitch? Holy fuck! Ah! That is cold, man! I'm not doing it. That is fucking freezing! He's a lot shorter in than I am. We gotta do something about that. Every time we were colliding, I was behind his ass.
It wasn't cold, dude. For me, it was fun.
Because you're numb everywhere.
No, if you sit like this out of the water, you're fine.
Dude, I had a bunch of water built up and I was just fucking freezing my butt.
Gotcha. Thanks, brother. Thanks, brother. Duncan, please, for me. Can I wear these glasses?
Which one?
The ones you're wearing to record. Because I glide. I go in and out. I ride. Good. I have. I will. I will. You get in the water. Duncan, please. Get in the water, asshole. It's not cold. Lay like this. You stay out of the water. There you go. All right, Duncan. Don't go fast first. All right. Rock and roll. We're doing good. There's debris in the water.
Neutral. Neutral.
No, he's talking about. What's up?
What's on the wall?
Oh no, he thought we hit some debris or something. He's got it.
You just go home and figure this shit out. Well, let's put that little bar forward.
2, 1. What?
Hey, this is your pro if you see something on your side for debris.
Get in the fucking tube.
Okay.
Let's get home. I don't like what it's doing.
Give a little gas so it doesn't die. Give it a little gas. Never mind.
Battery, right?
Fire it. We fire it. Put the throttle back in neutral.
I don't know what.
Turn the key. Straight up.
That's the battery there.
You're draining that son of a bitch. Don't hurt me. Hold that. Hold that for me. It just did. Pansy asses. Yeah, we're done.
We can walk up to the truck and jump start it.
Does anybody have any shoes?
Fuck no, I even know if I got any goddamn shoes.
Realistic about
You see, it's a deep cycle battery, so we can't use my truck battery to just jump it. Which means we swimming. I ain't leaving the boat. I'm gonna fucking pull it. I'm coming, Mama! I'll be home for dinner! No! You're trying to comprehend the gravity of the situation?
Oh my god, dude.
I'm filming this shit. This is better than Jerry Springer.
Get your ass to work, boy! Duncan, get in the water, start paddling. I'm not joking.
Yeah, grab that blue rope. Jump in. Won't be long now, Katie.
Guys, it's gonna get dark real fucking quick.
Yeah, that's...
The fucking time to send out your paddle.
Well, we gotta get... And we're basically in a fucking river, and the water's going this way. We gotta get over there.
Right there, James. Right there in the rock, right here. No, we
The opening between the trees.
gotta get up. It's gonna be
How far is it to that one rock spot where the boat?
It's on the other side of the ridge.
No, it's at the end down there. It's not that far.
walk it so.
We're in the middle of a fucking lake, asshole. This is Brandon's idea. I seem to recall this was Brandon's idea.
Oh, right now, hey, right now.
Oh, fuck. Okay, we already walked up all the fucking way up this. Tied the boat here, went all the fucking way up, walked halfway, which is a couple of miles, somebody finally pulled over and gave us a ride. Here we go again. Battery just rolled straight into the fucking lake. Okay. Let's go on an adventure. Don't you fucking do it again, you son of a bitch. Fucker. They're behind this tree. Fucker. What? Remember that fucking log first time. What happens when you drop it in the fucking lake? What? Shut up. Tell me I don't look like Rambo with my bandolier.
One.
Oh, fuck.
Two.
There's nobody around, man.